I have tried rubbing this off with my makeup wipe. I have tried using micellar water to remove it. I have tried coconut oil to remove it. And then I took some of my lip scrub and scrubbed my bottom lip to get it off. And it's still there. I cannot get this off. Hello and welcome. How's everybody doing today? I hope that you're all doing well. If it's your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, we're actually going to be taking a look at the Ulta Lip Glossary Lip Set. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside of this year's lip kit, stay tuned. So for the past few years, Ulta has been releasing what they call their lip glossary lip set for the holiday season. Now these little sets contain 16 deluxe size lip products. They contain lip oils, lip stains, lip glosses, and lipsticks. Now here's what this year's looks like. Now the kit this year was $22, and I want to say last year it was like $20, so it did go up a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is swatch each shade on my lips for you so you can see exactly what it looks like and if this would be something that you would be interested in for yourself. So let's go ahead and get started with those swatches. So we're gonna start our swatches with the lip oils. Each of these deluxe lippies looks to be 0.05 fluid ounces. Now I've been looking and I don't see any names for the products, so I'm assuming that there are no particular names. I've looked on the backs of the boxes, I've looked on the product, and I looked on the main box and I'm not seeing any. So we're just gonna go ahead and swatch them. This is the lip oil. This looks like a cross between like a purple and a pink. Okay, let's go ahead and put this on. So this feels really good on the lips, very moisturizing. Now it has a slight hint, touch of color, like a light pink. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera or not, but there is a hint of color there. So this is perfect for those days where maybe you don't want to wear any makeup, or you just have on some light makeup and you just want something kind of sheer and moisturizing on your lips. This feels really, really good. And again, it's just a slight hint of color. The next lip oil we have is like a mauve color there. And this little packaging is so cute. I love the little gold tops. They go on really nicely, no tug at all. And again, they're really moisturizing. And this one, hopefully you can see, it's a little pinkish color, has a hint of pink there, but it's a little bit darker pink than the other one that I first tried on. The first one was a little more sheer. This is really cute. I really, really like this. I could definitely see myself wearing this on days where I'm not makeup heavy. It even looks good with the look that I have on today. So next we have this little guy here, and this one looks kind of purplish. So that's a really pretty light purple. Now I know they say these are lip oils, but they feel just like glosses to me, but they're not sticky at all. So you could definitely put these on top of a lipstick if you wanted to do that as well. And this last lip stain we have is this here, and this is like a brownish color. This last lip oil here is a nude shade, and this would look really, really good over like a nude lipstick or a brown lipstick. I could just really see that being very, very pretty. And on its own, it's just so light, it just makes my lips look like they have a nice sheen to them without much color, but I really like it, really, really like it. Okay, so that was all of the lip oils. Now let's move on to the lip glosses. Here's what the lip glosses look like. And the first lip gloss that we have looks like it is probably clear with some shimmer in it. This lip gloss goes on very smooth, and this is very pretty. It's just a clear gloss with a little bit of sheen. It feels really good on the lips. As a matter of fact, it feels just like the lip oil to me. I can't really tell a difference at all. And again, they're not sticky at all. It just feels really good and really moisturizing, which is a good thing. And you can also, again, put this over any lipstick that you would like. Next up, we have this little guy here, which looks again like a cross between a pink and a purple with a little bit of shimmer in it. This one has a really soft hint of pink. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but it also has what looks like a little bit of shininess to it. So maybe a little bit of shimmer, but it again feels really good. They all feel the same. And I think it's really pretty. I really think I would enjoy this over a lipstick, maybe a pink lipstick or a deep pink type of lipstick. I think it would be very, very beautiful. Next up, we have this shade here, which is like a mauve type of shade. Now that I'm noticing, I'm thinking that these look very similar to the lip oils, except these may have a little bit of shimmer to them, being that they're a gloss. Here is that color on. This color is really, really pretty. I really like this. I feel like it matches my complexion so well. I would definitely wear this on its own, just as is, even with the eye look that I have going on. The last lip gloss that we have is this here, and it's a berry color. Very pretty. And here's what that looks like. This color here is really, really pretty to me. I love the soft hints of like the rosy color. Just really, really pretty. And again, just on its own, I think it's gorgeous. So it would probably be just as stunning on top of a lipstick. Now onto the lipsticks. All 4 of the little lipsticks in this kit are matte lipsticks. And the first one we have here is this mauve shade. This shade right here is so pretty. Look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I think it matches my complexion so well. I could definitely see wearing this with a variety of eye looks, and I think it would be even prettier if you threw on one of the lip glosses. Maybe the lip gloss in the mauve shade, or either that clear lip gloss with that little bit of shimmer in it. I think that would just take this over the top. Now this is a matte lipstick, but it does not feel drying at all. As a matter of fact, as of right now, it feels pretty moisturizing. I'm not sure how this will feel in maybe 30 minutes from now, but right now it feels really, really good on the lips. The next color we have here is that pinky purplish shade. So here's what this shade looks like. Now, I don't hate it, but I'm not necessarily in love with it. I feel like it applied a little bit patchy, and I kind of had to go over it a little bit, and it was still kind of patchy looking. Maybe it would be a lot better if I put on a lip liner and threw some gloss on top of it. I could definitely make it work by doing that, but on its own, I probably would not wear this, but it's a pretty shade. Like I said, I just found this particular one to be a little bit patchy. This next one we have is like a deep berry shade. This color right here is fabulous, absolutely fabulous. It's probably my favorite color in this collection thus far. I would definitely rock this by itself, but I would also throw a gloss on top of it, or one of the lip oils, because they feel just like the gloss. But this is fabulous. I think it is just such a pretty color for the fall and winter months. Beautiful color. The last shade for the lipsticks is this brick reddish color. And here's how this one looks on. This one knocks it out of the park for me as well. But then again, I love red and burgundy type lipsticks. I think that they're just so amazing on. So I really, really like this color, and it looks phenomenal all on its own. And again, these mattes feel amazing on the lips. They're not drying at all. I just tried on all 4 of them, wiped them off, and my lips still feel okay, which is a good thing. The only thing I will say about these mattes is that I definitely had a little bit of a hard time getting all of the color off, and I didn't even have them on that long. I've kept them on long enough to put them on, show them to you on camera, and wipe them off and move on to the next one. But it was a little bit difficult getting the lipstick off around the perimeter. I had to scrub a little bit harder to get them off. But again, it is a matte lipstick, and it may be a little bit easier if you use like a coconut oil or something to help remove them. They may come off a little bit easier. But anyway, that was the last of these little matte lipsticks. So let's go ahead and move on to the final product in this collection, which are the lip stains. So these lip oils appear quite sheer in the packaging. Let's see how they look on. This first one is like an orangey red, and here's what that looks like. So here's what that first lip stain looks like. It looked kind of orangey reddish to me in the packaging, but it's more of a purplish red color to me on the lips. Now, I don't think that it looks bad. The color is really pretty, but when I applied the lip stain, it actually feels cool going on your lips and like really wet-ish to me. I'm not thrilled with the way it felt going on. And also, it has like a little bit of a weird taste to it. Like when I'm putting it on, it's kind of like I can kind of taste it, and it's not the most pleasant of taste. So I'm not actually loving this formula. Like I said, the color is pretty and it's a nice to have, I guess, but I wouldn't go out and buy this particular product on its own, but it's nice to get in a set. And I guess you could take this as well and put like a gloss over it as well, and it would be really pretty. I'm just not liking the way my lips, it felt going on my lips, or the way that it's tasting. And also my lips feel a little bit tingly, so I don't know if this is some kind of plumping formula. It didn't say anything about it on the package unless I missed it. But anyway, on to the next one. I just want to come back and tell you real quick, when they said stain, they were not kidding. Look at this. It's barely budging off of my lips. I'm gonna try this with my micellar water and see if that takes it off, because I don't want to scrub the skin off my lips trying to get it on. Look how hard I just scrubbed, and it's barely coming off. So this is truly a stain. So let me see if I can get this off so we can move on to the other colors. So guys, I have tried rubbing this off with my makeup wipe. I have tried using micellar water to remove it. I have tried coconut oil to remove it. And then I took some of my lip scrub and scrubbed my bottom lip to get it off. And it's still there. I cannot get this off. Now the bottom, after I scrubbed a little bit, faded somewhat. But when they tell you this is a lip stain, this is truly a lip stain. I cannot get this off. So we still have 3 more to swatch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch them on my hand for you, because even if I get this off, I will not put these lip stains on my lips again, because I don't want to have this problem. Now, like I said, the color was okay and what have you, but it's way too hard to get off. So let me go ahead and swatch these last 3 on my hand, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. This next one is like a cherry red. And here's what that looks like on my hands. Again, very pretty. The next one looks like a purplish color. And there's what that one looks like. Now, like I said, the colors on these are great. It's just the removability factor for me. And the fact that I didn't like the way they felt going on or tasted. Now here's the last one. This one looks almost identical to me to the one I just showed you. So those are this is the one I just showed you, and this is the one I'm getting ready to swatch. Well, maybe this one is a little bit lighter, but they're very close in color, at least in the tube. Let's see what it swatches like. Yeah, this one here is a little more red than the last one. There's that. Okay, so that was the last lip stain that I had. So that concludes the entire swatching of this lip glossary lip kit from Ulta. Again, this kit is $22 if you're interested. And here are my thoughts on this kit. I think it's a beautiful little kit. I think it is well worth the $22, even if you don't use the lip stains, because you get to try a variety of lip products, and these are deluxe sizes, so they will last you for a while. Also, if you're looking to give gifts or stuffed stockings and you want to add a little something to it, these would be great to break up the pack and give them individually, like I said, as a stocking stuffer, as an addition to another gift, or something of that sort. Now, As I told you, the only thing I really don't like in here is the lip stains, and the colors are pretty, but you know, not being able to get them off is a huge factor for me in using these ever again. So I will not be using the lip stains, and I would tell you to use them at your own risk. Maybe you have a better method for getting them off than I do. Well, that's all I have to say about this little lip kit. I hope that you found the information helpful. If you've enjoyed this video and you're not tired of hanging out with me yet, you should go ahead and check this video out here, because I think that you will enjoy that as well. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.